I hate days like today. It's 34 degrees, it's raining, it's just hard to get motivated coming into work on a day like this. And I have to be motivated today. I'm already behind. I'm well behind. Like yesterday was unproductive, and I can't afford to have today be unproductive. See, today is one of those type days that I gotta get things done. Like I wanted this motor done by today. Today is Friday. And this is one of the things I can't stand about being in business for myself is today's Friday, and it should be like, wow, the weekend. But I'm like, no, I'm probably gonna come in tomorrow and work because I've got to get this motor done. But I'm gonna try to get over this rain. I'm gonna get some heat on in here, get the shop up and running for today, and try to get some motivation underneath me and a little bit of cheer. So I just had this brilliant idea of going in and buying a bunch of duct tape and duct taping my GoPro up. That way there, I can stick it in the bead blaster. I'm gonna film inside the bead blaster while I blast things. I think it's gonna be a cool shot, maybe. See if you like it or not. That's my GoPro. It is covered in duct tape at this point. Though, I don't think it would have an issue. It's just, the beads are gonna be extremely tiny. And all the little crevices on this. It originally started out, I didn't want to mess the cover for the lens or the LCD screen up. I was like, hey, I'm gonna cover those. And I was like, ooh, there's a lot of little cracks on this thing. Though it's waterproof, that doesn't mean it's not gonna have glass beads stuck in there. And when I open and close it, it's gonna be grinding on it. I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and just tape the whole thing up. So that's what I got. I got just one layer on the lens and I pulled it as tight as I possibly could and got every air bubble out of it. So it looks just fine, like when you look through the screen. There's no weirdness to it. Sure. I don't believe at least. We will see. But I thought it was a brilliant idea. I'm gonna go try it. Duct taping the GoPro, it turned out a little bit better than I thought. Like I'm reviewing the film now, and I haven't got to the part where I'm actually blasting it to see if it fills up with glass dust and you can't see anything. But as far as it being in there, like being done with it, the duct tape did exactly what I wanted it to, which none of my screens got scratched at all. There was a little bit that got through to the GoPro itself, but like I just blew it off and then I went and put it under the faucet for a second and then blew it off again, and it looks probably cleaner than it did when I started duct taping it. Anyways, I'm gonna keep watching this until it gets to the part where I'm actually spraying and see how it came out. And I might use this footage. If not, I'll just throw it at the end of one of the vlogs and be like, hey, this is how that turned out. Terrible. Anyways, getting back to work. Well, imagine that. I was not as productive today as I'd like to be. I was productive, don't get me wrong. I just wasn't very productive like I wanted to be. I've got all the parts like the bolts, the retainers, like anything you can think of, the timing cover, all that's been blasted, all that's been cleaned, all of it's sitting over there ready to go on. As soon as I can get these heads finished, as soon as I can get the pistons hung on the rods, get the rings on them, get the block on an engine stand, and we'll be ready to go. I've already checked all the guides to make sure they're good. None of them have to be replaced. I've already cut the valves themselves, so they're ready. I just got to cut the seats on them and that'll be done. Like I said, hang the pistons on the rods, put the rings on them, they're ready to go in. The crank's good, it just needs to be clean, like a little brake clean on it, blowing off, make sure ain't no debris on it, and it's ready to go in the motor. Again, the engine just needs to be put on a stand, we're ready to go. I had planned on having this done today, like completely assembled, everything. I had planned on assembling it today. That was the original goal plans. Of course, things happen, you get behind. It is what it is, and that's where I'm at. So hopefully I'll come in here tomorrow, get caught up, and hopefully get this thing done at least by Monday. I will try my best to get as much done tomorrow, and maybe Sunday, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what the wife has planned for the weekend. But anyways, I'm out for the day. It's Friday, I'm going home. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh.